Hello friends, in this video we will write a small Python program that will print all the permutations of the word cat. Permutations like the cat word, then CTA in which we have rotated the words, then ACT, then ATC, TCA and TAC. So basically these are all the permutations that are possible with the three-letter word. In order to generate such permutations, first we will store the word cat into a string named word. You can name it anything, but I have named it as the word. And then we require 3 loops. Why do we require 3 loops? Because there are 3 letters in the word cat. If there are more letters, then you will require more number of loops. So the first loop will control the letter at the first place. The second loop will control the letter at the second place. And the third loop will control the letter at the third place. Now we have to check that the first loop and the second loop, the indexes of the two do not match, because if the indexes are going to match, then we are going to refer to the same word C. Similarly, the second loop and the third loop index should not match, otherwise we are referring to the same letter A. And similarly, the third loop and the first loop's index should not match. So basically we have used for loop. This is the syntax that we have in Python. For loop for I in the range of 0 to length of this word, which is 3. So it will run for 0, 1 and 2, because in range the last number is not included. So 0, 1, 2 means cat C is 0, A is 1 and T is 2. Similarly, for j in 0 to length of the word and k in 0 to length of the word, and when the indexes are not same, at that time we will join word of I plus word of j plus word of k, and this is going to generate all of these permutations one by one. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and in the next video I will be discussing another program of Python, and this program is basically for practice of loops, and you will understand how loops are going to work. Similarly, we have various patterns like we make in C using stars, which can help you in practicing of the loops. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like my channel, subscribe to it, share it with your friends, share the link on various social media platforms. Thank you.